Shout out to the perfect entry trading system. We had to do this video over because the screen wasn't even showing. But yeah, shout out to the perfect entry trading system, man. Today is Monday. It's the 5th. Markets just opened up yesterday. It's what, 11:15 a.m. We had an amazing trade set up on gold today in the last 24 hours or so, or less than 24 hours. And we're going to break down the perfect entry trading system, the confirmations within the perfect entry trading system, and how you can utilize multiple tools to give you a double or even sometimes a triple confirmation for the trade. That way you don't have to second guess on what you should be doing or which side of the trade you should be on. Now notice here we had gold, and the first tool I'm going to pull up is our entry optimizer, right? So we're going to go to the perfect entry optimizer, and you're going to notice that it gave us a sale. This is a 15-minute chart, by the way, on gold. You notice it gave us a sale. Now, I'm telling you this because I'm in these trades, right? So just to show you, we're live. This is a live account, right? This is a live account. We're in these sales. Gave us a nice pullback. Hopefully, we can continue. We're looking for maybe around 1745, somewhere in that area. Now here, one of my take profits is for $558. That's for one of the trade. I have 3 of them in, right? Just go to show you that we are actually in these trades that we're showing you. But this is the entry optimizer. Notice the entry optimizer gave you the sell and went straight to profit. No drawdown whatsoever. This sell is currently up 220 pips. Easy 220 pips. No drawdown whatsoever. Now, what if you had access? Hopefully you have access to the perfect entry trading system. If you do, I highly suggest after this video, you utilize all of the tools combined. That way you can get multiple confirmations for your trade. So if you're looking for a sale, but you're not quite sure whether or not you should be selling, this entry optimizer will tell you if it's in the red zone, you're in seller's territory. If you're in the green zone, you're in buyer's territory, right? On Friday, we caught a beautiful sale during NFP. This is an NFP candle right here, but we caught this sale. Entry optimizer gave us a sale, right? This was a beautiful 200 pip move, an easy 200 pip move. This was NFP on Friday. After that, it gave us a buy, a nice little buy. And this buy gave us another 150 pips. The entry optimizer by itself, folks, can give you the trade setups you need. But with access to the perfect entry trading system, you're fortunate enough to have access to our top 3 tools on TradingView. So the next tool I'm going to pull up is our session key tool. Now, ordinarily, our session key tool is used for Forex pairs. All Forex pairs, any Forex pair, you can utilize the session key tool. Notice it gave us the sale on NFP Friday. You caught the 200 pips. Notice here, it gave you the buy. This was early Sunday. Gave you this buy. Caught 100 pips, easy. About 80 pips on the buy. And then it gave you the sale. Not only did it give you the sale, it gave you a re-entry. Whenever you see the tool, now I got to fix this because it's based off of Forex. So let's fix this real quick because it's counted by points. So let's go ahead and add a 0. Notice if you ever get a trade and the trade or price comes back to the actual zone itself, I don't know why it's doing this. I don't know why it's doing this backwards. See if I can turn it. Can't turn it. Oh, there we go. All right. That's a re-entry. It broke out the zone, gave you about 30, 40 pips, and came back to the entry. Re-entry, optimal entries. Beautiful sale, right? Beautiful sale. Now, that's the session key tool. That's 2 tools that gave you the sale. 2 confirmations for the trade. Now, the next tool is the golden key tool. Shout out to the golden key, baby. Golden key was ordinarily created for gold, specifically for gold, but you can utilize the golden key tool on anything. You can utilize the golden key tool on all metals, all your indices, and all your Forex pairs. So if you have, and this gave you another sale, a beautiful sale setup. This sale setup was even better than the session key tool setup. This one gave you a 300 pip move. 300 pips on gold because of the golden key tool. Now, if you have all three tools, that's the golden key. Let's turn back on the session key. Notice you have your double confirmation for your sale. Let's turn back on the entry optimizer. 3, sell, sell, sell. It's telling you to sell all the way across the board. What should you be doing? I'd be selling. I would be selling. Hopefully this thing keeps dropping. I would be selling. So a triple confirmation for a sale, and it gave you 300 pips. Again, like I said, I got 3 of these trades running, all 3 of them in profit. I'm up $800 right now on gold. Beautiful day, a beautiful start of the week. Trading, utilizing the perfect entry trading system. If you don't have access to this perfect entry trading system, I highly suggest you get access to this toolkit. 2023, with the access to the perfect entry trading system, not only just the system, but the signals itself. You're going to get access to the signals too if you decide to become a member. Our signals channel averages over 5,000 pips weekly on a consistent basis. We have not had a losing week in over 2 years. Yes, you heard me right. We have not had a losing week in over 2 years. I don't even think we had a losing day. Now we will lose trades. Not saying we don't lose trades, right? And risk management is very, very important. But it is very hard for you to have a losing week if you just follow the signals by itself. Not just the signals, you also have access to the tools. That way you can manually follow the trade. We also have a trade manager, EA, that is going to help you manage the trade for you. That way, if you're not in front of the computer, if you are spending time with your family, which I highly suggest, spend time with your loved ones, or you just might be asleep, you need something that is going to manage the trade for you as it's moving into profit. So if you don't have access to the perfect entry trading system, I highly suggest you treat yourself an early Christmas gift. Get yourself inside of the group. That way you can get your hands on this powerful toolkit. I'm telling you, access to this toolkit, you are probably going to have 9 times out of 10 the best trading year of your life in 2023. Give yourself an early Christmas gift by getting access to this toolkit. That way you can have the best trading year of your life in 2023. Let's just do some scans real quick, right? We're just going to scan euro. Let's go to the indices. I just want to see something. Go to US 30. Sales. Double confirmation for the sale. Now, the session key tool doesn't work on indices. The golden key tool does. The entry optimizer does. Look at this double confirmation for the sale on US 30. US 30, folks. US 30. How many pips is that off this sale? Right now it's up 200 pips and counting. It dropped over almost 300 pips. That is US 30. Same thing for Nas. I mean, same thing. Caught your sale early here. Went sideways a little bit, but during London session, it started falling. It's probably London session right here. US 30. Nas, all the indices. Look at silver. Woo! Woo. If you're not trading silver, I highly suggest you start. Now, of course, you need a bigger account size, but that's almost 1,000 pips on silver. That's what? 900 6 pips on silver. That's just off the entry optimizer by itself. That's just off the entry optimizer. What if you had to quote it from the golden key tool? Over 1,100 pips on silver. It's amazing. It's amazing. Just gonna scan. Look at Euro JPY. Look at that buy. Lord have mercy. We're just gonna scan just so you can see the power of these tools, man. It don't matter what it is. It don't matter. Look, this is our hit list right here. All your Forex pairs, all your metals, all your indices. It doesn't matter. It does not matter. Euro GBP. Look at the buys. Double confirmation. Look at the, hold on. Let's put the session key tool back on. Then we're going through these Forex pairs. Look at these buys. Buy, buy, buy. It's telling you to buy all the way through. All the way through. Buys. We're just going to scan. Let's start from the top. Euro USD. Brief buy. Then you quote a quick sell. Then you quote another buy here. Now we're in seller's territory. That was choppy. That's choppy. Euro CAD. Quick sale, quote a quick 10, 20 pips. The buy was short-lived. You quote a sell here, another 10, 20 pips, and now you're into the buy, and it's gone. Euro NZD, it's the trade I'm in right now. Multiple confirmations for the buy. You got a buy here. You got the buy here. You got your re-entries. Bullish order block. Shout out to the entry optimizer. It gives you your order blocks, and Euro NZD is gone. It's gone. I'm in that trade as well. I'm up. Oh, close me out. Close me out profit. I got taken out right here. Oh, it's okay though. Euro AUD, same thing. Buy, buy, buy. 3 confirmations for the buy, even though your sales were short-lived. Notice the 3 sales. For the sell, 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 it was short-lived. But even if it was short-lived, your initial sale still gave you 30 pips. The first one at least. So at least you still closed out a profit. Now you're in bias territory. It took off. We're just going to briefly scan so you can see. Triple confirmation again. The buy started way back here. Then you caught your confirmations or your entries, your triple confirmations for the buy, and it took off. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood today, baby. Shout out to the perfect entry trading system. Let's keep going. We're just going to scan. I'm not going to hold y'all too much longer. GBP. Notice here, we caught a sell off the entry optimizer. Caught another sell off the session key. Right? Then it pulled back. Then it pulled back. Where did it pull back to? Golden key zone. Pull right back to the golden key zone, and then it sold again. Easy trade setups. Utilizing this toolkit. Easy trade setups. Utilizing the toolkit. GBP AUD, double confirmation. Currently up on a buy. Even the sell was a little short-lived, but you still caught at least this sell gave you at least 25 pips. All of them are not going to be easy. Ooh, I'm getting in this trade. This sell. This is what I love to see right here. This is what I love to see right here. I'm going to hold y'all for about 5 more minutes just to show y'all the power of this tool. Look, we caught these sales, right? Off of the zone. Notice the session key tool and the golden key tool is around the same area. Entry optimizer as well gave you the sell, right? Gave you the sell. It pulled back. It's pulling back right now. Where's it pulling back to? Back to the zone. I'm about to take the sell. I'm taking this sell. Easy sell. GBP CAD. And this is live, baby. We're taking this one live. Sell. Straight to profit. I'm talking about straight to profit. Only thing that I would see if it comes here, back up here to the top of the zone. Right now it's at the bottom of the zone. It could potentially come here or here. That's my optimal entries. If it gets up here, I'm adding to the list of sales. Right now, I'm taking this sale from the bottom of the zone. It sold. It gave us a sale for 80 pips. It pulled all the way back to the zone. Let's go to the lower time frame so you guys can see it in real time. 5-minute chart. Look where it's at. It's an easy sell. That's an easy sell. I ain't gonna hold y'all. I ain't gonna hold y'all for the trade. Y'all can check the results later. It's consolidating. It's consolidating. Right? Sellers in profit already. The seller's in profit already, folks. It's the power of the golden key, the session key, the perfect entry trading system. If you don't have access to the system, I highly suggest you get in contact with me so that we can give you access to probably the best system on TradingView, the best toolkit. Now, I'm not saying we have the best in comparison. We're not in competition. There's some great tools out there. Shout out to the developers out there that are creating tools for the sake of the community, right? I even have a few trading partners that have tools on TradingView, and they are very, very accurate. But if you add everything that we have inside the perfect entry trading system, the top tools, our top 3 tools is the entry optimizer, the golden key tool, the session key tool. We also have our momentum tool. We also have the PMWBO tool. We have 5 great tools on TradingView. Our top 3, I will put up against anything on TradingView. Is it 100%? Nothing is 100%. Nothing is perfect. Even though we named it the perfect entry trading system, nothing in life is perfect. But this is as best. This is as good as you get, folks. When you add the confirmations, double and triple confirmations, aligned with the training on how to trade, how to utilize the tools for its optimal precision, you can't lose. When you add the signals channel, we average over 5,000 pips on a weekly basis consistently for 2 years. We have not had a losing week for 2+ years. And that's no exaggeration. We have that. Now, of course, risk management plays a part. Not saying we don't lose trades. We do. We lose trades. On average, we're about 70, 75%. We've had 85% winning days. We've had 100% winning days. But we do lose trades, of course. But if you combine the signals channel and access to the actual tools itself, utilizing proper risk management, we also have a trade manager EA that is going to help you manage the trades while you're away from your computer, or while you're spending time with your family, which is what I highly suggest. Or shoot, you might even be asleep. I know a lot of you guys out there, you're scared. You're in trades, and then you're scared to go to sleep because you never know what's going to happen while you sleep. The Trade Manager EA is going to help you manage the trade while you're away from your computer or your phone. You're going to get access to these tools so that you can have the best year of your life trading-wise in 2023. I highly suggest you treat yourself to an early Christmas gift, get access to the perfect entry trading system, get access to our amazing signals channel. That way you can have the best trading year of your life in 2023. If you have access to the tools, I highly suggest you start utilizing them in congruency to each other. All 3 of these tools, the perfect entry optimizer, the golden key tool, and the session key tool, if it gives you a triple confirmation to sell or to buy, you should have no second guess on what you should be doing. If you're looking for a trade and all 3 tools is telling you to sell, 9 times out of 10, you should be finding your way in a seller's market. It's telling you to buy. You don't have to second guess yourself. Notice we're getting this pullback on GBP CAD. It's okay. It is okay. Like I said, the highest I wanted to go is here. It may not get up here. Notice it got to the bottom of these zones. Let's pull one of the zones so you can see it. This is the session key zone, this blue area, this blue box. It came to the bottom of the zone and it stopped. It stopped. Why did it stop here? If I had took this session key tool, you wouldn't know why it stopped there. All you know is now it's consolidating. Why? Why is it consolidating? Because it came back to the zone. That's why. That's why it's great to have these tools. Let's pull up the golden key. Look how small this golden key zone is. I can take this sell and my stop loss will be right above the zone, which is right here. This is a 1 minute chart, by the way. Look how small the zone is on this 1 minute chart. You take this sell. If you take this sell, your stop loss is 6 to 7 pips. Right now, it's moving right back into profit. We're moving right back into profit. As long as it breaks, let's see, where we at? You got an uptrend. It's going sideways. You want the uptrend to be broken? Here's your trend line right there. Break that trend line as it's doing right now. We're back into profit. Easy trade setup, GBP CAD. So if you're catching this trade early, if you catch this video, I'm going to try to upload this video as fast as I can. It's right now 11:37 a.m. on the 5th. It's Monday. Catch this by 12 noon. You should be able to get into the sale. We're in profit, folks. We are in profit, folks. So hopefully you guys have an amazing week. Hopefully you have an amazing rest of the year. Hopefully you have an amazing holidays. Spend some time with your loved ones. It is the season to be jolly, to be happy, to be grateful, to be joyous. Regardless of what happened in life, you're still here. Throughout all the midst of all of the turmoil that's going on around the world, the epidemic, pandemic, whatever you want to call it, you're still here. You're blessed to see another year. Hopefully 2023 will be the best trading year financially in your life, especially if you have access to the perfect entry trading system. I see you guys in the next video.